Hi friends, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to get back TikTok app in your Android phone if you deleted the TikTok app. First of all, let's try to install the TikTok from our Play Store. First of all, open the Play Store in your phone. In Play Store, search for TikTok. And if in your country TikTok app not banned, then here you will find the TikTok app. Just tap on install to install the TikTok app. And if in your country TikTok is banned, then you won't find the TikTok app in your Play Store. In this case, now let's see how to install the TikTok app. First of all, go to your phone settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Tap on this three dot, special access. Tap on install unknown apps. Now enable Google Chrome browser here. Now on your phone, open the Google Chrome browser and search for TikTok APK download and open this website link, TikTok for Android up down. Here we can see the TikTok app. Just tap on get the latest version. Again, scroll down and here you will find the TikTok APK download button. Just tap on download. Tap on download anyway and the TikTok APK file will be downloaded. Once it's successfully downloaded, go to your My Files app. In My Files app, open this APK option or installation files and here you will find the TikTok APK that you just downloaded. Just tap on that and tap on install TikTok. And here you can see the TikTok app is now installing. Once the TikTok successfully installed, now you can easily use the TikTok app in your Android phone just like so. Thank you.